This is hunt number 3. The first one was a late Sunday evening hunt for about an hour and a half to an hour, and then hunted one morning before work like I am now. I think this time last week, today last week, and so this will be a third hunt. I'm gonna give it a shot till like 9 o'clock. Gotta be at work around 10. Worked till like 7 last night, so I'm gonna get there around 10 in the morning. So hopefully they'll come out. So we've made it down to the blind. I had to move it over here to a spot that I thought might be better, and everything's set up. Just got sitting out on a power line. Haven't heard anything yet. I just owl called. See if I get one to gobble, but no such luck. So I might start calling just a little bit here in a second. I think it's like it's almost 7 o'clock now, so hopefully they'll start coming in around 7:30, because I don't have long to hunt. So let's see. Come in because of the glare. The glare on the sun right here. And, dude, he bent the stake on my decoy, but it wasn't jink, so I'm hoping the Tom comes out here in the next 20-30 minutes. I really need to head back to work, but I think that Tom might come out. So I'm gonna wait about 20-30 minutes and then head to work. It's the first time I've ever seen a turkey decoy come in quiet. I've heard a gobble all morning, and they just come out of nowhere, come out of that shade, and just attack that jig decoy, bend the stake. It's crazy. It scared me because I couldn't see that shadow back there with the glare. But hopefully the Tom will come out. They've been kind of hanging out together, which is weird. I've seen them together like a week ago, maybe a couple days ago. But hopefully he'll come out before I head to work. So that was interesting to say the least. That's the first time I've ever had a turkey decoy. First time I've ever hunted and actually really seen a turkey up close. I've seen some hens walk by, and I've hunted in a blind, got out, walked around the other side of the property to call, and then look back and there's a turkey in front of my blind. But I've never been in the blind with a turkey in my decoys until just now. Pretty cool experience. It's just kind of tough that the guy that I normally would call right now and talked to about it is no longer with us. So he passed like a few months ago, and I knew turkey season was going to be tough. Not having him to call, and I mean he sat out here with the blind with me multiple times. He's an older gentleman, and man, really sucks I can't call him right now. I'm sure if you're watching this and you've had those same experiences where that one person you want to call is, you can't call him anymore. First time this has really kind of happened to me, so it really sucks. On the bright side of things, seen my first Jake up close, and put the bead on it. I don't know if my GoPro was filming. Put the bead on him, figured out he was a Jake, and so then I decided not to shoot. I don't want a Jake, which that was a pretty good sized Jake, I think. He sure did a number on my decoy, but don't want my first turkey to be a Jake. So I know there's a big Tom down there. I've seen him multiple times. I've actually seen him hanging out with that Jake, but he's probably gonna come out about the time I get to work, but who knows. But that was exciting. Thanks for watching. Hopefully at some point Tom's gonna go down. So yesterday was when the Jake came out. I say yesterday, it was actually 2 days ago. So when the Jake come out and attacked my decoy. First time I've ever seen that. But going back out this morning, Thursday, and still got to go to work after this, so I got to leave around 8:30. But hopefully the Tom will come out today. This is my fourth hunt here. Haven't really hunted very long. Any of the hunts probably set 2 hours, 2.5 hours at the most. So hopefully he'll come out this morning. So we'll see. So I've heard multiple gobbles over here. There's definitely a turkey that way. It sounds like he's getting closer, but I'm not sure. I feel like he's kind of moving around to the front of me. freaking shaking. Oh, I should have let him stand a little longer. I couldn't take it. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, I couldn't take it any longer. Oh. That is awesome. Yes. Yes. Hey.
Hey.
Look at there.
What you got there, boy?
Turkey. So I just got it done. First turkey ever. Made a big rush now, trying to get over to Josh's and he can help me clean the bird. And we both got to get to work by like 9 o'clock, and it's 8 o'clock now. So just in a big hurry, but you know that's kind of how it's kind of how my life is always. Anyway, I'm always in a hurry with work or hunting, fishing, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go over to Josh's, clean this bird, go to work, get ready for Nashville tonight, and then we leave tomorrow. We'll hopefully get off work just a little bit early and head over there and make it in time for the Luke Combs concert. And then turkey hunt in Tennessee Saturday morning, 2 days from now. So actually, yeah, 2 days from now. Hopefully that hunt will go as well as this one. Man, I pull up to Josh's and he's got a turkey. And I'm like, man, I'm having flashbacks here.
Well, he's 10. That little hair counts. I knew it. Inch. I mean, they're right at an inch.